The night sky, a vast canvas of twinkling stars, has captivated humankind for millennia. Since our earliest ancestors first gazed up at the cosmos, questions about our place in the universe have lingered. Are we alone? Or do other intelligent beings share this cosmic expanse? The possibility of extraterrestrial life, particularly the idea of alien visitation, holds a unique fascination for us. It's a question that sparks our curiosity, ignites our imaginations, and challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The allure of the unknown, the possibility that we are not alone in this vast cosmic ocean, is a powerful and enduring one. It's a question that has fueled countless science fiction novels, films, and scientific inquiries. The thought of advanced civilizations traversing the cosmos, perhaps even observing us from the shadows, is both exhilarating and unsettling. It speaks to our deepest fears and our greatest aspirations. For centuries, stories of strange lights in the sky and encounters with beings not of this world have been passed down through generations. Some dismiss these tales as mere folklore or the product of overactive imaginations. However, others see them as tantalizing hints, breadcrumbs on the path to uncovering a truth more profound than we can imagine. The question of whether or not we've been visited by extraterrestrial beings remains one of the most compelling mysteries of our time. While concrete evidence remains elusive, the sheer vastness of the universe and the countless opportunities for life to arise elsewhere suggest that we may not be alone. In fact, the odds seem to favor the existence of other intelligent beings somewhere in the universe. The sheer scale of the universe is almost impossible for the human mind to truly comprehend. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially orbited by planets. And the Milky Way is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies scattered throughout the observable universe. With numbers of such staggering magnitude, the idea that Earth is the only planet harboring life seems statistically improbable. Recent discoveries in astronomy have only served to strengthen this conviction. We now know that planets are not rare occurrences, but rather commonplace throughout the cosmos. Many of these planets, called exoplanets, orbit within the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it, to exist on their surfaces. While the existence of extraterrestrial life has yet to be definitively proven, the vast number of potentially habitable planets scattered across the cosmos makes the possibility not just plausible, but highly likely. The universe is teeming with opportunities for life to emerge and evolve. It seems statistically improbable that we are truly alone. If even a tiny fraction of these planets harbor life, and if even a smaller fraction of those planets host intelligent civilizations, the universe could be teeming with alien cultures. Some of these civilizations could be far more advanced than our own, having had millions, even billions of years to develop and evolve. Assuming for a moment that extraterrestrial civilizations do exist, what might motivate them to visit Earth? Their reasons could be as varied as the hypothetical civilizations themselves. Curiosity, a fundamental driver of intelligence, might compel them to explore the cosmos, seeking to understand the diversity of life and cultures that exist beyond their own world. Scientific exploration could be another powerful motivator. An advanced civilization might send probes or expeditions to study distant planets, collecting data on their geology, atmosphere, and potential for life. Earth, with its rich biosphere and unique evolutionary history, would undoubtedly be a prime target for such scientific endeavors. Perhaps, driven by a thirst for knowledge or a desire to map the cosmos, these explorers venture out to study distant worlds. Earth, with its vibrant biosphere and unique evolutionary history, would present a fascinating subject for study. They might come to observe our planet's diverse ecosystems, analyze our atmosphere, or even study our species and our cultures. Or perhaps their motivations are less scientific and more pragmatic. They might be searching for resources, seeking new homes as their own planets dwindle, or even looking to establish contact with other intelligent species. The reasons for interstellar travel are as limitless as the universe itself. If extraterrestrial beings have visited Earth, why haven't we found definitive proof? One compelling explanation lies in the potential for technology far surpassing our own. An advanced civilization might possess the means to observe us undetected, using technologies that render them invisible to our current methods of detection. Imagine, for instance, a civilization capable of manipulating light and energy itself. Their spacecraft could be rendered invisible to the naked eye, their movements masked by advanced cloaking technology. They could observe us from a distance, studying our planet and its inhabitants without ever revealing their presence. Their technology might be so advanced as to appear almost magical to us. They might possess the ability to manipulate gravity, travel faster than the speed of light, or even phase through matter. Such advanced technology would make detecting their presence incredibly difficult, if not impossible, with our current scientific instruments. Furthermore, their understanding of physics and the universe might be far more sophisticated than our own. They could be exploiting natural phenomena we haven't even begun to comprehend, leaving us oblivious to their presence even as they observe us from close range. Throughout history, there have been countless reports of unexplained aerial phenomena, objects or lights in the sky that defy conventional explanations. While many of these sightings can be attributed to misidentified aircraft, weather phenomena, or hoaxes, some remain stubbornly unexplained. Could these be glimpses of advanced extraterrestrial technology at work? Skeptics argue that the lack of concrete evidence, a piece of a spacecraft, a clear photograph of an alien being, is proof enough that these visits are nothing more than flights of fancy. However, proponents of the extraterrestrial hypothesis counter that the absence of evidence is not necessarily evidence of absence. Our current methods of observation and detection are limited, and it's entirely possible that we're simply not looking in the right way, or that we lack the technology to perceive them. Furthermore, some argue that governments around the world might be actively suppressing evidence of extraterrestrial contact, fearing widespread panic or societal upheaval. While such claims are often met with skepticism, they add another layer of intrigue to the ongoing debate. The truth, as is often the case, likely lies somewhere in between. While it's important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, it's equally important to keep an open mind. The universe is full of mysteries, and our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving. Section 6. Shifting Paradigms. Reimagining our place in the cosmos. The confirmation of extraterrestrial visitation would have profound implications for humanity. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the universe, forcing us to confront the reality that we are not the center of creation, nor are we the sole proprietors of intelligence and consciousness. Such a discovery would likely trigger a paradigm shift in our scientific, philosophical, and religious beliefs. We would be forced to reevaluate our place in the cosmic hierarchy, coming to terms with the possibility that we are part of a much larger, more complex, and more ancient galactic community. The potential impact on our technologies would be immense. Imagine gaining access to technologies far surpassing our own advanced energy sources, faster than light travel, or even the ability to manipulate space and time. Such advancements could revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from transportation and communication to medicine and energy production. However, such contact could also pose significant risks. The history of human interaction suggests that encounters between vastly different cultures often lead to conflict and exploitation. An advanced extraterrestrial civilization might view us as a primitive species, ripe for conquest or exploitation, or even see us as a threat to be neutralized. Section 7. The unending quest for knowledge. Despite the lack of definitive proof, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. Scientists around the world are tirelessly scanning the cosmos, listening for radio signals from distant civilizations and searching for biosignatures, chemical signs of life, in the atmospheres of exoplanets. The quest to answer the age-old question, "Are we alone?" has become a global endeavor, uniting scientists and space agencies across borders in a shared pursuit of knowledge. Projects like the SETI Institute's ongoing efforts to detect radio signals from alien civilizations and NASA's exploration of Mars and other planets in our solar system demonstrate our unwavering fascination with the possibility of life beyond Earth. The discovery of even simple microbial life on another planet would be a monumental event, fundamentally changing our understanding of life's prevalence in the universe. It would be a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life itself. demonstrating that it can emerge and thrive even in the most extreme environments. As we continue to explore the cosmos and develop ever more sophisticated technologies, the likelihood of encountering evidence of extraterrestrial life, whether in the form of microbial fossils on a distant moon, radio signals from a distant star system, or even definitive proof of alien visitation here on Earth, continues to grow. The quest for knowledge, the drive to explore the unknown, is at the heart of what makes us human, and perhaps someday, that quest will lead us to the ultimate discovery, the confirmation that we are not alone in the universe. Section 8. Ethical considerations and the non-interference hypothesis. The possibility of extraterrestrial contact also raises important ethical considerations. If we were to encounter an alien civilization, how should we interact with them? Should we actively attempt to make contact? Or should we remain silent observers, at least until we have a better understanding of their intentions and capabilities? Some scientists and philosophers advocate for a cautious approach, arguing that we should prioritize listening and observation over transmission. They point to the potential dangers of alerting a potentially hostile civilization to our presence, especially if they possess superior technology. This cautious approach, often referred to as the non-interference hypothesis, suggests that advanced civilizations might be intentionally avoiding contact with younger, less developed species like ours, perhaps to allow for natural evolution and cultural development. Others argue that the potential benefits of contact outweigh the risks. They believe that interaction with an advanced civilization could provide us with invaluable knowledge, technology, and perhaps even solutions to some of humanity's most pressing problems. They argue that reaching out to other intelligent life forms is a testament to our own curiosity and our desire to connect with the universe around us. The debate over contact with extraterrestrial intelligence is complex and multifaceted. There are valid arguments to be made on both sides. Ultimately, any decision about how to interact with alien civilizations will need to be made carefully, with input from scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the global community as a whole. Section 9. Conclusion: Embracing the wonders of the universe. The question of whether or not we've been visited by extraterrestrial beings remains one of the most enduring mysteries of our time. While concrete evidence remains elusive, the vastness of the universe and the countless opportunities for life to arise elsewhere suggest that we are not alone. The universe is a place of infinite wonder and possibility. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the possibility of encountering other intelligent beings and be prepared to grapple with the profound implications such a discovery would have for humanity. The search for extraterrestrial life is ultimately a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our origins, our place in the cosmos, and the nature of intelligence itself. It is a journey of discovery that challenges our assumptions, expands our horizons, and reminds us that the universe is full of wonders yet to be revealed. Whether or not we are alone in the universe, the very act of searching for answers to these fundamental questions reminds us of the power of human curiosity, the importance of scientific inquiry, and the need to approach the unknown with a sense of both wonder and responsibility. The universe awaits, and the journey of discovery continues.